Hey guys, what's up? Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title of this video, it's going to be all about some clip-in hair extensions. You're probably looking at me like, girl, what are you doing? Because I don't have any hair, but I really wanted to try these out. I actually had these before I cut my hair, but life just happens. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and join the fam. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for coming back and clicking on this video. So let's get right into this. I'm just gonna tell you the details on this hair and then we'll try it on and see how it looks. So this hair is from Hergivenhair. This is a little bag that the hair comes in, and I've actually already unboxed it, but I'll insert I'll insert a video right here of what it looked like right out of the package, so what like the curl pattern looked like. And I've already co-washed it, so it changed a little bit but not much. And yeah, it came in this nice little silk bag and it came with so many great things. It was packaged so well, so I'm hoping it's good. So it comes with some information, some daily care information, and oh, it's very, very well packaged. Like, it looks like they've really put time and effort into it. They didn't just like throw it in a bag and send it to you. It comes with a whole booklet, and it shows you all the different textures they offer, and it actually also has a sample. So let's say if you got your hair and you realize that this is not the one for me, you can also look at these ones and see which one would be better for you. Or if you have like a friend who wants to get extensions but don't know which texture to do, you can also show them this because it comes with your hair. So okay, so they have the kinky hair, which is the tightest one, and then they have coily hair, which is in between, and then they have the curly hair, which is like just regular curls, and then they have a kinky blowout, which looks like a natural hair blown out kind of thing. And so I got the one in the middle, which is the coily hair, which is a 3C for a hair type. I probably could have mixed in the kinky hair as well if I really wanted to match my curl pattern exactly, but I just wanted to go with one. And then it comes with my favorite part. It has this little like hair slip thing. So I'm not going to show you how it goes on because I don't want to ruin my hair right now. It's basically like a cap that goes on your head. So when you're sleeping, you pull it on your head and it pushes all your hair up and keeps it in place. So when you're sleeping, it doesn't get all over the place. But the nice thing is, the way it's made, it does not slide off ever. Like ever. And it moves your hair out of the way and keeps it up so it doesn't get all like humid if you sweat or whatever in your sleep. Like, it doesn't ruin it, so it kind of holds it up in this shape. But obviously because I don't have hair to be holding up, it just kind of keeps my hair nice. And it's lined on the inside with some nice satin or silk, I don't know, one of them. And then obviously if your hair is really long and reaches the end of this, like this is where your head is and this is where your hair ends, you just use this to tighten the end so your hair doesn't fall out. So yeah, I already co-washed these and they look really nice. The only thing is they're not black, like they're like a 1B color, so like a natural brown, natural black kind of color, and my hair is like jet black naturally, so I might have to dye these. I might. And honestly guys, like I have tried a lot of curly clip-in brands and they just don't work for me. Like, they do not. And as soon as I saw these, I was like, these are bomb. Like, I knew right away that these were gonna work because of the way it feels. And look how much movement it has. Like, this is very nice. As soon as I saw this, I was like, this is gonna work. So I'm gonna try it out. Obviously I do have an inch or two to kind of clip onto, and this is also nice because when I did have like my hair before, I didn't like wearing clip-ins because it would just be too much stuff on my head. Like, my hair plus some clip-ins was just too much. So I'm just gonna start in the back and just start clipping it. I don't really know, there's no method to this. I don't have any hair to move out of the way really, so I'm just gonna go for it. This is so exciting. Okay, so and just by looking, my hair might not be long enough to cover the tracks unless I like slick it down, but we'll see. Okay, look at this. I'm gonna make it tight so then it lays really flat. don't know if you guys can see, the color difference is really the actual problem right now, but I could easily just slick this down with the rest of it, but we'll see. Guys, doesn't this look gorgeous though? Wow, I love it. Okay, hopefully later when I fluff it out it'll look a bit better. Okay. This is so cute. We'll see how to make this work. Okay, so I think that's the best we can do for that part. And then we're gonna have to work on blending. So I still have these two pieces here, but I actually think this is the perfect density. I could probably honestly squeeze those pieces back here in the back because I can't see anything, but I feel a gap in the back there. Okay, this looks beautiful. Wow. Wow. Okay, yeah, that's better. Oh my goodness, guys. Are you shook right now? Because I am. Okay, so I'm gonna try to smooth this down. Okay, so I have my little hard brush here and I'm just gonna smooth this down with some Eco Styler. Push this back. Again, if my hair was the same color, it would make it a lot easier. But as you can see, it's already kind of working, eh? It looks great. Okay, so I'm gonna slick it down with some gel and see if this works. Okay. Ooh, ooh, this is actually working. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see this? Wow. Do you see that? Oh my goodness, this looks gorgeous, guys. Okay, so personally, I probably wear it behind my ear. I'm gonna go ahead and fluff these pieces out. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna brush this out instead. Yeah, you guys can see this is curling up. We'll fix it later. Yeah, that looks a lot more natural with a little bit more frizz in there. This part of my hair does not want to lay down. That looks amazing. Okay, so the thing with this is you're gonna really have to slick it down. If your hair is as short as mine, you're gonna really have to slick it down and then set it for sure. Okay, so I'm gonna take my freeze spray as well, my Got To Be freeze spray. Ooh. I don't want to put too much because this will really dry out my hair. I'm gonna put some bobby pins right here just to hold it down while it dries. Guys, I'm so amazed. This looks amazing. My hair is literally an inch long and this still worked. Again, I would definitely take a scarf and lay it down for like 30 minutes, but you guys can see. I love it. Okay, I need to dye this black though. Wow. Anyways, I need to dye this black so it matches my hair even better, but the fact that a little Eco Styler and some freeze spray got it to blend like that, I'm very, very impressed. This is the perfect texture. I don't think I could find a better match for my hair. But I really wanted to try these and see what it was like. So for anybody who's looking, I love it. But yeah, you can't even see where my hair stops in this whole process. Like where it blended that seamlessly. that's awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna stop freaking out and leave you guys to check out this hair. I'll leave all the details down below so you can check it out. And again, if you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification button if you haven't already. And yeah, I'm gonna play around with this. Maybe I'll make some styling videos if you guys are interested. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. All my social media details will be in the next slide. Bye guys.